Now this is another situation in which it can likely be found, or a problem that you are facing, or someone else, that states this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. The reason why there are many reasons in which your account can be flagged, your WhatsApp account can be flagged. Now let me give you one reason in which I myself actually experienced before we go into it. One of the reasons is when you are trying to add multiple people into a WhatsApp group. WhatsApp is going to tag that as a spam, and your account will be affected. When you are trying to add multiple people in a group, WhatsApp will spam your account, so be careful with that. So when you come across this, you are going to find beneath a request for review, in which when you click on it, you are going to type your message there and then you send it. But there is another way in which can make it faster for WhatsApp to respond to you. If you try this way, they may respond to you, they may not respond to you. But the easiest way for you to contact WhatsApp is you go to the website, just like, okay, now let's still make another repetition again, but in a dynamic way. So remind you, you go to your Chrome browser and then you now type for whatsappsupport.com. When you go and type for whatsappsupport.com, then you now search below, just go below, and then you find where it is written contact us. You click on it, then you now click the particular WhatsApp you're using. Is it WhatsApp business or the normal WhatsApp messenger? You click on it, and then you put in your country US code, your country number code, you understand, and then you put in your phone number. The WhatsApp number is not different number, it's not any other number, but the WhatsApp number that you've used for that very account. You put in the Gmail account that you have used, you confirm it, and then you now select in which way you use the WhatsApp. Is it on Android, on iPhone, on web and desktop, Chaos or other? You specify, and then you now type in your message telling WhatsApp that they should review your account. If your account has been flagged by mistake, put it down in written that your account has been flagged by mistake, asking them to review, and they should restore your account. By so doing, sending them the mail, sending this, they are going to receive it and they will review your account, and in no time taken, your account will be restored within the interval of, if it's going to take long, let it be, let's say, to 48 hours. But mine did not take longer. In fact, it was supposed to be 24 hours, but it did not reach 24 hours. It was an interval of, let me say, not even up to 12 hours, so I can say. So when you follow this step, you are going to find your account being restored. This is how you solve, or this is a solution to solve or resolve this kind of problem when you come across it in WhatsApp, either for yourself or someone. Please share this video to somebody, or you can save it because it can be of help another day or one time that you will need it. If you find this video helpful, please can you leave a like to this video? Yes, leave a like to this video, and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share, because there is love in sharing. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.